And here they sell the cakes at 13 ringgit per slice, chocolate cake and lychee rolls. They have chocolate as well. And these are the buns. Oh, 4.70 for the pie of biscuit. Matcha 13, blueberry 13, panda cola 13. And for cake is 88 ringgit and above. In front of me is a lavender bakery. There are so many people queuing up. I wonder what's the special. I'll take a look. Oh, they have a curry bun, crab cheese bun, many buns, Hong Kong buns. Egg tart 270 and so on. So I'm trying to find a Watson. Look at that, the noodles. Wow, that's our youtiao fried bun and potato. Yeah, the sauce as well, white sugar on the left, brown sugar on the right. They sell some soya bean grill. This is Pavo turkey ice cream. 10 for traditional ice cream and the same for chocolate mango and banana. And I look at this. Wow, this Pavo is on turkey. And now customer just ordered ice cream and the start with mixing the chocolate. And teasing the customer. More buns over here. Looks like the rojak, another popular dish. This is vegetarian. You can choose and mix your food. So I bought my stuff that I wanted, and now walking back to the hotel. Here is Bukit Bintang, the heartbeat of Kuala Lumpur. It's a crowded night market here at Bukit Bintang. Walking back to my hotel. There's a street performance in front. And the famous hot Chinese beef roti with the large sprout. And now at the warm beef roti restaurant, there are so many customers. I recommend to try it once when you come to Kuala Lumpur. The staff is rolling the roti. The massage area in front and some of the spas. There's an eatery direct and many supermarkets, mini mart and a hotel around this area. And you can custom knit your cat with your name as well. Oh, there's Jalan Alor street. Walking back to my hotel first. I hope my the stuff I bought today is quite heavy. I think it's about 10 kilo. I'll be back in about 1 hour or maybe 30 minutes. More delays. On the drink, takoyaki, I was actually looking for the Mongolian BBQ, but I think, oh, yesterday I tried that, it's crispy. I look at smoke. I can't believe the smoke today. Oh, that's for the BBQ. Oh yeah. Mongolian BBQ. Look at the smoke. The corn. That's Malay guri. You have cheese also. Shagu. Oh, I'm actually going to buy this. It's a hot sauce. It's good for mixing with the food or maybe for hot pot. I'll buy one and try. Can use it by pulling the tap and use for one time. Look at the hot pot combo set. Haidilao, 365 grams. The price $26.60 or ringgit, about 7 US dollar. And they have the instant noodles, Kang Shifu of China. Over here there are two varieties for Guilin jelly. One is with the normal, the sugar type. The other one is low sugar. It's actually kind of jelly from the tortoise. It's only $2.90. Not sure the taste. Let's buy one to try. Oh, look at that! Another chili sauce, hot, spicy, and $9 ringgit for 280 grams. Alright, just to introduce you guys, hot and spicy potato chips from 7-Eleven is really crunchy and delicious and spicy.